When the coronavirus has literally overwhelmed the medical facilities around the world, there are a few who have been consistently endeavoring to improve the affected situation. In India, a group of teachers has taken upon itself to teach the impoverished children as they cannot afford e-classes. The country has opened its economy after months of lockdown, but schools and colleges are still closed. The government says it is mulling reopening senior classes. The pandemic is continuously affecting more people across the world, but a significant contraction in just previous economic quarter has forced them to reopen markets.
In an old temple town in India's southern Tamil Nadu state, teachers have taken upon themselves to keep children from impoverished communities who have no access to technology and help them stay connected with education. With masks on and textbooks in their hands, children sit on a cemented platform in the school premises where their teachers, despite pandemic, give them lessons. The government has pushed for classes to move online, but in India, many of the students were deprived owing to absence of internet connection or a phone altogether.
அதே நேரங்களில் பள்ளிக்கும் மாணவர்களுக்கும் உள்ள தொடர்பு குறையுது. இந்த காலகட்டத்தில் நிறைய குடும்பங்கள் ஏழ்மை நிலையில் இருக்காங்க. அந்த குழந்தைகளையும் வேலைக்கு கூட்டி போகிற ஒரு சூழ்நிலையும் ஏற்பட்டிருக்கு. ஸோ இந்த விஷயங்கள்லாம் என்னென்னா அடுத்து இடைநிலை ட்ராப் அவுட் இல்லாமல் பள்ளிக்கூடம் வர்றதுக்கு நாங்கள் ஒரு ஆயத்தமாக இந்த வேலையை செஞ்சுக்கிட்டு இருக்கோம்.
While the lockdown has been eased in recent weeks, schools are unlikely to reopen anytime soon, as experts warn the peak of the virus in India is yet to come. The number of cases in India has registered a sudden jump in past week, with Thursday alone registering over 83,000 cases. The country, just like others, is forced to open the economy as its people will be more vulnerable without money and food. India, however, has one of the lowest death rates and one of the fastest recovery rates. PM Narendra Modi said that world required a fresh mindset to fight the prolonged pandemic.
When the year 2020 began, did anybody imagine this is how it would pan out? A global pandemic has impacted everyone. It is testing our resilience, our public health systems, our economic systems. The current situation demands a fresh mindset, a mindset where the approach to development is human-centric.
While the cases are rising sharply, Indian fight too has strengthened with time. With over 1 million tests every day, India has been vigorously working at treating more people at time. Individual states are using different techniques to bring down the numbers. Government of Delhi has made pulse oximeter as its fighting tool. Thousands have been distributed to isolate asymptomatic and mildly asymptomatic cases. Other states are continuing with weekend lockdowns. India plans to produce billions of doses after the vaccine for the disease is finalized.